from these local automobile companies were not up to the government's expectations, which is clearly not the case. Wouldn't it be more prudent for the state to still demand those products? This would ensure that these companies gain enough capital and resources to invest in research and product development to improve their standards, rather than sending that money to other economies for finished goods. After all, development is a decision that comes at the cost of short-term comfort. While the African continent is said to be rich in natural and mineral resources, the value from these resources that serves the interests of indigenous Africans is estimated to be less than 12%, based on cross-sector averages. In some sectors, the local benefit is far lower than this 12%. Since this proportion is highly insufficient to meet the overwhelming needs of damaged African societies, a few powerful individuals take advantage and use it to satisfy their own desires from this meager portion.